Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is the first question and answer session. To find all playlist of all session, click here. You can find link in description as well. In this session, we are covering videos from 1st to 5th of React tutorial. So if you have not seen that videos yet, then I will strongly recommend you to watch that first. In I button here, you can find all 5 videos, so watch it. You can find link in description as well. So let's get started. So here our first question is when to use class component and when to use function component. Here also we can see importance of component. This question is very important because before you create any component, you should know which component is suitable for that function. When your component does not do much more than take props and render HTML, then go with function components. Suppose you have one module to develop and that is only showing the details. In that scenario, you should create function component because you not need to manage state for that. Using props, you can get data from parent component and you can show it. Now you were thinking that what is props? So in next video, we are going to explore props in React. So stay tuned. And opposite to that, when your component is required state to hold values and perform some operation on that data, then go with the class component. But if your concern is performance, then always try to create function component because in future you will get a performance booster in function component. By the way, React 16.8 and onward, stateless component not stateless anymore because they can have state, they can have hook as well. So if you want to use state for small operation in function component, then it is possible using use state or use reducer hook. Here is one note for this question, and that is always try to use stateless component whenever possible. You will always get advantage when you use a stateless component. So let's move to next question. Here is second question is what is the React.createClass? So React.createClass allows you to create a class component. This is required when you are not using JSX. In our previous videos, we have seen what is JSX and why we use JSX. Using JSX, we can create a class component easily. But when we are not using JSX, that time we can create a class component using React.createClass. Like this, there are many more React methods available to add a modified DOM. For example, react.createElement, react.appendchild, react.createRef, react.component, react.proptype, react.children. Likewise, in my previous videos as well, I have told you that use JSX for easy development. Let's move on to next question. So here question is what is React DOM and what is the difference between React DOM and React? React DOM is complementary library to React, which glues React to the browser DOM. So React DOM is a one library which is used to add element into our browser DOM. So what is DOM? A DOM means document object model. In that DOM, you can see the all elements and their attributes. React DOM package contains render method, unmount component at node method, find DOM node method, and etc. And what is React? So React is a JavaScript library designed for building better user interface. Till now we have seen 5 videos of React, so I hope you understand what is React. So React package contains create element, create class method, component method, prop types method, children's methods, and etc. So these are the basic questions which I think you should know. If you found any other question from video 1 to 5 which is important, then let me know. We will cover for you sure. Also, if you found this session is useful for you, then hit one like, comment and share. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification for every update. So thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.